What's going on, guys? Derrick Jaxn here. So I wanted to real quick give my Boniface Ogunti story because I feel like in due time, he's going to have a lot of people doing this with how many lives he's changing and how many businesses he's coming in and basically exploding from wherever they're at to being where they could be or where they could have been with his applied knowledge. So I would say about a week and a half ago, I got a DM from a guy talking about, hey, be on my podcast. Of course, it's Boniface. And I do podcasts and stuff like that because I'm a public figure. I talk about dating and relationships and all that. So I said, cool. We link up, and through the podcast, I realized this dude has an exceptional level of business knowledge. Like, he knows a lot about sales, and turns out it's because he's invested so much in his own training as well as had his own successful businesses. So from there, the conversation goes to the fact that, hey, I'm getting ready to launch a high ticket product. Now, this is my very first time doing a high ticket $5,000 to $10,000 or even more product. So I'm looking for guidance, and I know the power of investing in myself. So I'm actually ready to. And for sure, he has his own high ticket coaching program. I invest in it. Fast forward, we get together about 3 days ago. All right, so this is really recent. We get together about 3 days ago. He looks at my Facebook ad, see what I have going on so he can start kind of setting the foundation for this high ticket product launch. And he sees what I have going on with my other stores. I have other e-commerce stores that typically I push sales with my followers and organic traffic. So now it's just like a couple of Facebook ads, nothing major. And he's like, bro, we could scale this, bro. We could scale this thing to the moon as high as you want to go with it, bro. And I'm like, yeah, okay. I've heard this before. But he's like, no, just trust me on this. Just wait, let me see. He snatches my laptop, of course, with my permission, snatches my laptop, goes into my Facebook ads, starts shifting things around, starts setting things up, does something different with the pixel, yada, yada, yada. I'm going to just show you, matter of fact, I'm just going to show you guys so you can see with your own eyes what has happened in 3 days since I've let Boniface do his thing on my Facebook ads for my e-commerce store. I'm just gonna show you. So really quick, this is this month's sales for that particular e-commerce store. And as you can see, my name is at the top. So this isn't somebody else's thing. So this was before I came across Boniface and we had our talk. Everything to the left. This was after me and Boniface had our talk. This was after he went in and executed. Actually, it wasn't even 10% of what he already teaches in his courses about how to maximize a store's sale. Now, I just want to also point out, you see this in these 3 days? None of that was done with my organic traffic. None of that was done with an email blast. This was about an hour and a half's worth of work from things that he already teaches in his courses, and only a fraction of that. So when it comes to this high ticket thing, let me turn you guys back around. Yeah, like when it comes to this high ticket thing, we both agreed that should blow this out of the water, like 10x. So excitement is an understatement on my behalf. And I'll definitely give you guys an update afterwards. Like, this was just a preview of what he's capable of, or what we're capable of whenever we apply his knowledge and his strategies to our businesses. So yes, this guy is only 23 years old, which still trips me out to this day, but make no mistake, he is a full grown man when it comes to blowing up any store or starting a store from scratch and then blowing that up. So if you have the privilege, I don't know how you're seeing this right now, but if you have the opportunity and the privilege to invest in his knowledge, in his courses, or in his team services, I implore you to do yourself a favor. Do your family a favor. Do your peace of mind a favor. Do your generational wealth a favor. Make that investment. Do not sleep on this guy, Boniface Ogunti. I mean, he's going to leave everybody no other choice but to wake up pretty soon. But right here, right now, go ahead and get to it, man. Invest in this guy.